Hi, everybody. It's Jennifer. I was gifted a table. I'm super excited about this. It's a cocktail table that is bar height, 32 inches, totally collapsible and totally easy to store because you can take the legs off and then put this anywhere. Okay, so this is the material that is on the top. It is a nice plastic. The legs on the chair are metal. Okay, so you are going to pull both of the legs out and it clicks into place. There's a little pin right here that holds it. When you want to collapse it, you pull the pin and then it collapses down. So again, we're going to put the legs out. Then you take the longer part of the leg and you have these little knobs right here, and you are just going to put this in, push the little knob, and then it clicks in, and repeat on the other side. Okay. The bottoms have protectors, so you can use this inside or out. This is great for holidays, super light, and I love this height. This is perfect for conversations. Okay, here's a quick close-up look. This is 31 by 31 by 43 high. Super awesome design. It's that folding design with the legs coming off, but yet it's super elegant in appearance. I love the thick plastic tabletop. Suitable height for all of your parties. You can use it indoors or out. It looks great and it's built to last. Loving this table. Definitely check this one out.